everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this super gorgeous greeting card on which I have created these lovely paper quilling plumeria flowers along with the filler flowers, and the contrast color is looking very pretty. The pink and yellow combination is going very well with each other. And of course this is a card, so you can write a special message to your loved ones. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am starting with making the plumeria flower. So to create one petal, I am taking 3 strips of white color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Then using my quilling mold, I am shaping it as a dome, not very deeper dome, just a little bit of depth. Add glue inside this, spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry. Then after drying, you just need to pinch the petal on both the corners and make a leaf shape. And then just bend the top part backward little bit. So the petal is ready. Now I am coloring the petal using white acrylic color first. And then adding little bit of yellow color in the corner and little orange in the tip to give the depth to the petals. Similarly, I have prepared 4 more petals. So to create one flower, we need 5 petals. Now I'm taking a white color cardstock piece, adding silicone glue on this. Spread it nicely with any stick. So we have to spread the glue evenly. And then start arranging the flower petals one by one. So I am just tucking the petal inside glue behind each other. So one petal, then on top of this I'm adding another petal, and then just creating the circular pattern and constructing the flower to give it nice plumeria shape. Like this, allow it to dry completely for 1 day. So the flower is completely dried. Now I am cutting the excess cardstock from the bottom. And the flower is ready, looking very pretty. Similarly, we need 4 flowers in total. So bigger flowers are made using 3 strips per petal, and smaller flowers are made using 2 strips for 1 petal, and the process is same. Now I'm starting with making the pink filler flowers. So to create one petal, here I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 2 mm and making one tight leaf shape. Then joining total 5 petals together to make the flower. Then in the center I am adding yellow color tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip in 2 mm. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of flowers. Then to create plumeria flower leaf, here I am taking 2 strips of light green color in 2 mm and making one long teardrop shape. add glue on top of this, spread it nicely with brush, and this is done. Similarly, I have prepared 6 light green and 6 dark green color plumeria leaves. And now to create small petals or small leaves for our filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Then to create sentiment frame, here I am taking this beautiful designer frame by Itsy Bitsy. So I have cut total 3 in grey color cardstock, 1 in pink color cardstock, and 1 golden frame. So first I am sticking all these full designer frames together to create thick bunch, and then on topmost layer I am going to stick the gold mirror cardstock frame. So the panel is ready. Now inside the panel I am writing sentiment Happy Mother's Day using black brush pen. So the sentiment designer window is ready. I have just decorated 2 corners using small pink color hearts. Now here I am taking 19.5 by 9.5 cm yellow color cardstock, and I am decorating the bottom edge and top edge using this beautiful border design. This border die I purchased from Die Cuts and More using white color cardstock, but you can use any kind of border, whatever punch you have, whatever die you have. And if you don't have dye, you can also use crochet laces to decorate the borders. Like this. Then taking card base, which is 20 by 20 centimeters, folding it from center, and on top of this I am adding my yellow designer cardstock. So the base for our card is ready. Then exactly in the center I am adding the sentiment Happy Mother's Day. And after that, on both corners I am decorating with my handmade quilling flower designs. Then randomly I am adding some yellow color stones here and there just to highlight my card little more. Like this, and then the top edge and the bottom edge I am decorating using dark pink color 2mm strip. It is contrasting our yellow cardstock, and after adding the strip, flowers are looking more vibrant. And the card is completely ready. It's looking absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So I'm just loving these plumeria flowers. You can create envelopes or you can decorate your boxes, gift boxes using same flowers. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.